Quick question, Kelly. You've used tools your whole life, but have you ever stopped to ask why some brands are trusted worldwide?
Exactly, because these brands didn't become famous by accident. Some were born in war, some in tiny workshops, and one of them almost disappeared completely.
So today, we're not just talking about tools, we're talking about the stories that made them legendary. Let's start with the elephant in the toolbox. Snap-on.
Ah yes, the brand that makes your wallet nervous.
Seriously, Snap-on tools are expensive. Like, should I emotionally prepare before buying this?
But here's the thing, professional mechanics keep buying them, over and over again.
So what's the deal?
Snap-on started in the 1920s, with one idea: tools should save time, not waste it.
Back when bolts were stubborn, rust was everywhere, and mechanics didn't have time for slipping wrenches.
Exactly. Snap-on focused on tight tolerances, perfect fit, and durability, because one strip bolt can cost more than the tool itself.
So you're paying for reliability.
And confidence. When a mechanic reaches for a Snap-on tool, they're not guessing, they know it'll work.
That explains why some Snap-on tools last longer than entire careers. All right, from pro garages to American households, Craftsman.
This brand is basically nostalgia in tool form.
Founded in the 1920s, Craftsman wasn't just selling tools, they were selling trust.
And that legendary lifetime warranty helped.
Break it, bend it, somehow destroy it, Craftsman said, bring it back.
That promise made people loyal. Not because tools never break, but because the brand stood behind them.
Craftsman tools became the first tools for millions of people.
The kind you borrow from your dad and somehow never return.
Because now they're yours. Quick pause, which tool brand do you trust the most?
Because the next one didn't just change tools, it changed manufacturing itself.
When people say German-made, it just sounds serious.
That's because German tool brands are built around engineering culture. Precision isn't a feature, it's a requirement.
Brands like Alora, for example, focus on strict tolerances, hardened steel, and consistency.
In Germany, tools are designed to meet industrial standards first. Marketing comes second.
Which explains why many German tools feel heavier, tighter, and more solid in the hand.
They're made to survive factories, not just weekend projects.
And honestly, once you use a properly made German wrench, cheap tools feel like toys.
No drama, no flashy claims, just tools that do exactly what they're supposed to do.
Now let's talk about a brand that's everywhere, Stanley.
Stanley is proof that simplicity scales.
They focused on practical, affordable tools that almost anyone could use.
Tape measures, utility knives, hammers, tools that became standard equipment worldwide.
Stanley didn't try to reinvent tools, they just made them accessible.
And sometimes that's what makes a brand iconic.
Notice something?
Every famous tool brand solved a real problem first and built reputation later.
So here's the real question. Does brand actually matter?
Yes, but not for the logo.
It's about history, consistency, and trust built over decades.
A good brand means fewer failures, safer work, and better results.
Whether you're a professional or a beginner, your tools shape your experience.
Famous tool brands didn't become legendary overnight.
They earned it, one bolt, one cut, one job at a time.
So next time you pick up a tool,
You'll know exactly why it feels different.
and why some brands became famous for a reason.